Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-a-apply as a transcriber dito sa rev.com. So kung gusto niyo pong malaman kung ano yung mga quiz or test na pwede nating ma-encounter kapag nag-apply tayo sa rev.com, so panoorin niyo lang po itong video. So first, punta tayo sa rev.com. Ayan, so ito yung rev.com, yung kanilang web homepage. So dito, makikita mo, pwede ka maging transcriptioner, captioner, or foreign subtitler. So for this video, mag-a-apply tayo or susubukan natin mag-apply as a transcriber. So ang bayad nila, ito yung approximate payment is $1 per minute. For transcription, magko-convert lang tayo ng audio or video into text. So, para mag-apply, punta lang tayo sa pinaka-baba. And nakikita mo dito itong button na to, Become a Freelancer. So, i-click lang natin siya. And then, nandito na tayo sa Freelancer page nila where we can send our application. So, lalagay lang natin yung ating first name, last name, yung email na gusto natin gamitin, okay, position, transcriptionist or captioner. So, ngayon, ang itatry muna natin is yung transcriptionist. Select country. And then, next. Okay, so ang unang test is grammar. So, to become a transcriptionist, you should have a mastery of English language. So, answer lang natin tong short grammar quiz. So, ang first question nila is, my aunt blank a root canal done yesterday because her tooth was rotten. So, mamimili lang tayo dito sa 4 choices kung ano yung ilalagay natin dito. Okay, and then yung second na question is, my cousins lived in New York City. They blank really cool. Okay, so ang questions nila for this verb form is 7. Okay, so tapusin muna natin siya. So, after nung 7 questions about verb form, dito naman tayo sa word choice. So, mamimili lang tayo uli dito sa 4 choices kung ano yung tama. Meron tayo ulit 7 questions. So, ang unang tanong is, you can make blank at home. Second question, law enforcement blank his property after they discovered new evidence. So, tapusin lang natin yung 7 questions para mag-move on na tayo dun sa susunod na set of questions. Okay, so next naman is yung sentence structure. So again, meron tayong 7 questions for sentence structure. So dito naman, kailangan lang nating piliin yung tamang punctuation and capitalization. So first sentence is, tanong niya is, ano dito yung nakakapitalize correctly. First letter of the sentence should be capitalized. So, tama ito at saka ito. The first and third one. And then, shop for clothes for Old Navy. Old Navy is a brand. So, dapat nakakapitalize siya, diba? So, ito yung tama, yung third. So, move naman tayo sa second question. Choose the sentence that is written correctly. First, Carol has a piano lesson tomorrow. Carol have a piano lesson tomorrow. Third is Carol has a piano lesson tomorrow. So, Carol is a singular. So, dapat ang gagamitin natin is has. Kasi have is ginagamit lang for plural. So, ang tamang sagot is yung first one. Carol has a piano lesson tomorrow. Okay, so move on na tayo dun sa next 5 questions. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa lahat ng questions. So, i-click lang natin yung next page. Okay, so ang susunod naman is yung style guide. Okay, so dito muna tayo sa Rev Application Style Guide. I-full screen natin para makita natin siya. So, meron tayong 7 slides. Okay, so first slide. Okay, so welcome lang tong first slide nila. So, second slide. So, sabi nila dito, a transcript is a written record of spoken dialogue. As a freelance transcriptionist, you'll be transcribing audio files from customers. Ang customers mo dito may be business owners, teachers, or researchers. Don't paraphrase, substitute or omit words. Don't rearrange the order of speech. Don't correct or edit a speaker's grammar. And don't correct pronunciation unless it distracts from readability. So, omit filler words, example, you know, and like. False starts, stutters, and repetitions. Omit quick interjections, such as someone saying, unless it is a direct response to a question. So, basahin mo lang to para malaman natin kung paano tayo mag-transcribe. Okay. And then, pag nabasa na natin yung Rev Application Style Guide, panoorin naman natin tong Rev Transcription Editor in Action.
This video will give you an overview of our free online transcription tool that you will be using to submit your sample transcription. When you first access the page, you will be taken through some of the shortcuts that will help you work faster. After completing the tutorial, you will be ready to begin. Your job is to edit the transcript to become customer ready by fixing errors and applying the style guide rules. For example, if you notice that the draft transcript did not accurately capture what was said, you should fix it. If a new speaker was not created where it should have been, you can create a new speaker, or change speakers using the drop-down arrow. You can see that different monologues for the same speakers have the same colors. If there is a part of the audio that you cannot decipher, include an inaudible timestamp using this drop-down. Please note that an inaudible should not be used in place of looking up a term on Google or re-listening to a difficult section a few times. Before you submit, make sure to spell check your work. Once you are confident that you are finished and the transcription adheres to the transcription guidelines, you can submit the file.
Okay, so pag napanood na natin siya, click lang natin tong transcribe. So, nandito na tayo sa kanilang sample transcription. So, edit the provided draft transcription based on the audio to ensure it is customer ready. Make sure any missing dialogue is included in the final transcript. So, nakalagay dito, welcome to Rev's Transcription Editor. We'll give you a quick tour so you can learn basic functionalities of the editor to help you work. So, click lang natin yung Get Started. Okay, so press Tab on your keyboard once to play the audio. So, click natin yung Tab para ma-play na natin yung audio na kailangan natin i-transcribe.
Thanks for your interest in Rev. Please listen carefully to the audio file all the way to the end and please...
Okay, so to pause, click ulit natin yung Tab. So, to play, click Tab. To pause, click Tab. If you want natin to kung gusto nating i-rewind, press lang natin yung Shift plus Tab.
In Rev. Please listen carefully. Thanks for your interest in Rev. Please listen carefully to the audio file.
Then post. Okay, so let's start editing. Each word in the draft transcript is synced to the audio. Click on any word and press Escape to play from that word. Okay, so once tapos na tayo dito sa ating transcription test, click lang natin yung Submit. Okay, so halos tapos na tayo. Nakalagay almost done. Please carefully review the services agreement and acknowledge your agreement before submitting. So, basahin lang natin itong agreement na to. Okay, so once na nabasa na natin, pwede rin na tayo mag-download ng copy nito kung gusto natin. So, check lang natin itong box dito. And then, submit. So, tapos na tayo. Mag-aantay na lang tayo ng email galing sa kanila. I-review lang nila yung application. So, as soon as tapos na sila, sasabihan, i-email lang tayo kung nakapasa tayo or hindi. So, now, nakapag-apply na tayo sa rev.com as a transcriber. Mag-aantay ka lang ng email from them, siguro 1 day. Within 24 hours, makaka-receive ka ng email galing sa kanila kung nakapasa ka or hindi. Kung hindi ka naman nakapasa, don't worry guys, pwede naman tayo ulit mag-apply. Gumamit lang tayo ng ibang email and then mag-go through lang tayo sa quiz and test and hopefully makapasa. So, thank you for watching. And sana po may natutunan kayo ulit today. And don't forget to like and subscribe our video. Or sana i-share nyo to sa mga friends nyo para naman malaman din ng mga friends nyo na meron tayong ibang pwedeng pagkakitaan online na hindi mo kailangan magbayad, hindi mo kailangan mag-invest, or hindi mo kailangan mag-invite. So, yun lang po guys. And sana next video is manood po kayo ulit. So, thank you ulit. Bye!